guys, welcome back. It's currently 4:30 in the morning. I want to be at our pickup for about 6 a.m. We're about an hour and a half away, and we're gonna be headed to Houston today. I'm thinking maybe steak tonight for dinner, so stay tuned with that.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, we are in Orange, Texas. All right, just wanted to take the time to say, if you're watching this video right now, I love you. How's your day going?
Good, man.
We are headed to the truck stop right now. We're gonna go to the gym, get food, and then cook up. All right, guys, after like 30 minutes of driving around, we finally found someone that's leaving. Let's go. All right, guys, just finished the lift. Now I'm doing some cardio. I don't know if it's just me, but dude, I can't stand running on a treadmill. So I'll always go outside in the parking lot and run some laps. Am I the only one that does that? Maybe. But dude, I can't. I'll lose my mind. Just running and staring at the same thing the whole time.
Not sure. I can check for you.
Okay.
It's 0.8, almost 0.9.
That works.
Okay, good one?
Yes, please. Thank you so much, man.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day. Shout out Buc-ee's, dude, for having cheap fuel, bro. Oh my gosh, look at that car, dude. Oh my gosh. Shout out George. All right, guys, we just got a phone call that we have another load first thing in the morning. So we're gonna pick that up. We're gonna go to Lafayette, drop part of it off, and then we're going back to Fushan. See if our trailer's still here. Yay! All right, guys, moment of truth. Did we get it on the first try? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're off just a little bit. Got some ghee. Ghee is pretty much, if you guys don't know, it's clarified butter. It's pretty much butter. It's a lot better than oil and stuff like that. All right, let's see what we got. For this. All right, we're gonna take these off. This on here. I'm gonna throw it this way. Oh yeah. We're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes. With some salt while it's resting as well. She is finished resting. This knife sucks. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'll catch you guys here in a sec. As for dessert, we got this popcorn. We got an early morning again tomorrow. I'm gonna pray and then I'm gonna go to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. We slept pretty good. Woke up about 15 minutes late, but we need to get up, get rolling, get some coffee, and get out of here because we got a load to pick up. If anyone was wondering what it's like to drive in Houston, Texas, here you go. Bro, these look good. Ooh, spicy boudin. That looks good. Thank you very much.
There you go. Have a good one.
You too. See what we waited 30 minutes for. I don't know how that took 30 minutes, but. All right, guys, let's get out of here, man. Thank you. All right, guys, we have made it to our final destination. This is the next day. I kind of forgot to film an outro to this video, so I'm filming the next morning, the day after. So if you stayed to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.